Good evening. My name is Ella Schoenborn, and I am the senior class president and an officer of the Ambassadors Club. I'm so glad that you could make it to our open house tonight. As a senior writing copious amounts of essays for college applications, I have taken the time to stop and think, why do I want to go to this school? How do I know this college is going to support and fulfill my dreams as I move forward in my life? Recently, I thought back to why my family and I chose Holy Names all those years ago. I started here in 6th grade, only knowing one person 2 grades above me. It was intimidating, starting a new school with new teachers, new classmates, and in a new environment. The moment I stepped foot in the school during the ice cream social, everyone was so kind and welcoming, asking me what my name was and asking me if I needed help with my locker. Ever since that first day, I'm proud to say that I'm a part of a community that welcomes everyone, a community where the teachers want to answer your questions and want you to do well, a community committed to serving those in need, a community where we, as young women, are encouraged to make a difference in the world. Here at Holy Names, I've been lucky to be a part of such a great group of girls in my class, and I have had the opportunity to study in a rigorous academic program. Although we have 33 clubs, my friends and I started the UNICEF Club this year. I've enjoyed being a part of so many clubs and activities. This year, I'm also treasurer of the National Honor Society, captain of the varsity lacrosse team, and vice president of the UNICEF Club. These leadership positions have prepared me for using these skills in college. After I graduate, I plan to stay connected to Holy Names. My experience here is one that I hope every girl is able to experience. One where you can learn how to lead, how to succeed, and how to become the best version of yourself. I hope you enjoy your visit to Holy Names tonight and learn what makes Holy Names special. Thank you.